Hey guys, welcome to The Dirt. I'm your host, Rob. After 158,000 hard miles, we finally made a major upgrade to our rig and added on some awesome suspension. So on today's episode, we're gonna give you a quick tour of what we put on our truck, why we did it, and what we think is pretty cool. So starting with the front, we've got Bilstein's 8112s. The 8112s are awesome because they have what's called zone control. So it's a triple piston monotube design. It's got a jounce cutoff, it's got a rebound cutoff, it's got a digressive piston. So what that means is that you're not really going to bottom out very hard, you're not going to top out very hard. The way that we drive our truck, this is perfect for us. So this is almost like race shocks for the 4Runner. So far it's been very smooth off-road. We paired the 8112s with Bilstein's UCA, so the upper control arm. We also have lower control arms from Dirt King Fabrication. They're pretty beefy. They're awesome. They've actually improved off-road handling quite a bit. We've got Durobumps front and rear for the bump stops. We have Yotamafia's extended brake lines front and rear as well. So moving to the back, let's check out what we got in the rear. So in the back of the truck, we're running Bilstein's 8100s. These are a double bypass monotube shock. We've got Bilstein's heavy duty rear spring. So it adds, for us, it added about 3 inches of lift in the back, which is awesome. We've got Durobumps back here. We've got the Yotamafia extended brake lines. And so far it's been a very smooth and comfortable ride, even going through this kind of washed out clay area, through the sand, through roots. So our plan is to test out the suspension, test out all the components, probably add more stuff to it later on, and we'll include more videos. And we're gonna run it for a while, run it pretty hard, and we'll give our recommendations. We'll see if it's worthy of the To The Dirt stamp of approval. If you have any questions for us, leave a comment below, hit us up on Instagram or Facebook, and until next time, To The Dirt.